Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
There are two main approaches to using apps without Play services. First, use alternative app stores and open source apps. Second, emulate or replace core services where necessary. Using alternatives reduces data sharing and can speed your device. Open source stores like F-Droid offer apps without Google dependencies. For apps requiring Play APIs, you can install micro-G to provide compatibility. This balance gives privacy while keeping app functionality for most daily tasks across your phone. Install F-Droid for open-source apps and Aurora Store for Play catalog access. Download APKs from official project sites and verify checksums when provided. Install micro-G and enable signature spoofing, or use a managed profile if required. Grant only necessary permissions to micro-G and avoid giving it unnecessary access. Backup your device and enable unknown sources only for trusted APKs during installation. Reboot after installing core components to register services and confirm app compatibility. Keep apps updated via F-Droid and Aurora Store to reduce security risks. Review app permissions regularly and revoke anything unnecessary for privacy protection. Limit permissions and use a VPN or firewall for extra privacy when using unknown networks. Use sandbox tools or work profiles to isolate risky apps from main data and accounts. Periodically check micro-G components for updates and security notices from maintainers. If an app fails without Play services, seek alternatives or trusted progressive web apps instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.